Welcome students to the VirtualX MasterClass podcast for Grade 12 Life Sciences. I'm your host, a dedicated life sciences teacher here to guide you through this fascinating final year of exploration into life's mysteries.
And I'm your guest, your companion on this journey as we unravel the wonders of Grade 12 Life Sciences together. From molecular biology to human evolution, this year's modules offer an inspiring and in-depth look at the systems and processes that define life.
Why should you study Life Sciences, Grade 12? Let's begin with why studying Life Sciences in Grade 12 is vital for your academic and personal growth.
Life Sciences in Grade 12 allows you to connect deeply with the building blocks of life. By studying topics like DNA, the nervous system, and homeostasis, you're gaining insights into the mechanisms that sustain and govern life itself.
Exactly. These lessons don't just stay in the classroom, they prepare you to think critically, make informed decisions, and understand your role in shaping the future, whether you pursue careers in science, healthcare, or environmental stewardship. How VirtualX MasterClass can help you achieve your goals.
At VirtualX MasterClass, we ensure you have access to high-quality lessons designed to build a strong foundation for Grade 12.
Our curriculum is crafted to guide you step by step through complex concepts, supported by expert educators, interactive tools, and personalized feedback. VirtualX MasterClass helps you stay motivated, focused, and confident. What you'll achieve by completing Life Sciences Grade 12.
By completing this course, you'll master critical topics like the code of life, reproduction, and homeostasis. You'll also be equipped to analyze, evaluate, and solve real-world problems with clarity and precision.
Not only will you be ready for Grade 12 assessments, but you'll also be prepared to contribute meaningfully to society with knowledge and skills that make a lasting impact. Modules. Overview. Module 1. Life at the molecular, cellular, and tissue level. We begin by exploring the molecular building blocks of life.
This includes a deep dive into the DNA code of life, RNA and protein synthesis, and the mechanisms of meiosis. You'll also explore molecular genetics and how these processes shape our understanding of biology.
From the fundamentals of molecular biology to the applications in genetic engineering, this module sets the foundation for understanding life's complexity. Module 2. Life processes in plants and animals.
Next, we study the life processes that sustain organisms, focusing on reproduction in vertebrates, the endocrine system, and homeostasis.
We'll also explore human reproduction and the intricate systems that regulate internal balance, helping you see how these processes interconnect in living organisms. Module 3. Diversity, Change, and Continuity.
This module is a fascinating exploration of Darwinism, natural selection, and human evolution.
You'll uncover the story of human origins and how evolutionary theory connects us to all life on Earth, inspiring a deep appreciation for biodiversity and the continuity of life. Module 4. Environmental Studies.
Finally, we revisit human impacts on the environment, building on what you learned in Grade 11.
From climate change to resource management, this module equips you with knowledge to address critical global challenges and make sustainable decisions for the future. What an exciting roadmap we've outlined for this incredible year.
Life Sciences Grade 12 offers not just knowledge, but the power to make meaningful changes in the world around you.
So, are you ready to unlock life's secrets and make an impact? Join the Life Sciences Grade 12 VirtualX MasterClass at www.virtualx.tv.
Together, let's achieve greatness. We look forward to seeing you in class.
VirtualX MasterClass, your gateway to excellence in education, powered by Dragon Alexa.